The John Calvin Presbyterian Lower Primary School in Langkarding, Mingi, Shillong held a vibrant food festival and sale on its premises on the 1st of November 2024, attracting a lively turnout. The Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Panyat Singh Siem, attended as the chief guest, joined by Deputy Chief Executive Member Pinchngan Siem, the school principal, church pastors, elders, students, parents and other invitees. During the event, Penthorum Kra MDC Pinchngan Siem highlighted the school's foundation by the Presbyterian Church to provide quality education to young children, but noted that it had seen limited support through MDC schemes. He urged upon the KHADC Chief Executive Member to allocate funds to support the construction of a library, washrooms and boundary wall at the school. In response, the Chief Executive Member of the KHADC, Panyat Singh Siem, encouraged the Penthorum Kra MDC to formally submit a funding proposal and assured attendees that he would prioritize efforts to support the school's development despite limited time to process new funding requests through the council.
Segi jingseng ini di school ban ai jing nang start. Hanging one ketika LP school, henry nadamdan LP school nginam yo UP nginam yo secondary nginam yo high secondary. Ngisdang nang ne ka foundation dengan so ba ngidon kam ban company jingwat ban pen scam ya ka foundation habe dei bat kini kijeka jing ai jing hikai. Te nakaliang jongi kumbangi ju dan ye kabenta ban yarap lem ye ke shnong ye ki dong ye ki sports club bat kumju ki school ba phero pher la da kalong ka school jong ka mission la kalong ka school jong ki shnong la kalong ka school jong ki reushibet ni persangkat bala ban ye trelang ban kentiu habi de ba kata ka benta te nakaliang jongi kumala pensno lingba kanika memorandum kabla ai limba no hikai hot blishbun la yo ban pedian tenrei ngan ngin persangkat bala ban yarap ikani ke school da ka jingya trelang bat i local MDC ka syong hi hai mene la ngiat sanga renga mentang ngiat kelas hi nomor kum local MDC ide hi ban recommend nga ta spotlight be ka mangtika kat no be recommend di recommend khendiat la yo khendiat di recommend khambon ri la yo khambon te ngin sutu bakade ka school balak te ngin khampen no hi kat ka jingla ka jongi ngamong se kat ka ni ka jing .com se kat ka jingla ka jongi ngin persyang ni kata reitan ko wei ngakwa ban krensyai ba kapor kelak jankut stang lai sau benai ngin yo ban trekam te ngin persyang kat bala ban pentikena ba kin yo e ka ni ka skim de silakan ngin laringin la ban ai shwa bangin bakat bangin dandan hantai ngin persyang pak ban penrung ban yo approval ye kini skim te kata ka badan kam namar kumala pensno ka library ka long ka way na ka criteria ka guidelines jong ka thamtam ye kini ka new education policy dan kam ha ka library bat kiwe jing dan kam facilities na ta kikna jakale kai kiwe nanta kabaa ketika ketika sanitation idan kam shisha ka sanitation ka babha naban koi bengkhia kini ki students dopen kami ki public toilets ba kiwe tengin persyang banirap naka 15 finance commission naka tight naka untight grant ke bangin yo te ya kata in satu tiap i local MDC JP